You're charged with burglary of a building with intent to commit theft. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. I have parties announced for the record for the state.
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense.
John Reitmeyer for the defense.
And are you Ms. Viela?
Yeah.
Defense, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client? Defense.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Viela, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do waive, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We already know.
Ms. Viela, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with burglary of a building with intent to commit theft? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? And if you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes.
All right, so you're going to need to speak up so everybody
Yes.
can hear. Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Judge.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Viela, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes. Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your
According to the plea bargain agreement, there's a $1,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's restitution, if any, to La Islas Marias, Manuel Estrada Rodarte, Rodarte, and Cats 1 and 2. Did you understand those are recommendations did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
state.
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, no contact with La Islas Marias and Manuel Estrada Rodarte, Mick Mouth evaluation, and to follow those recommendations. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, state offers states exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objections.
Ms. Viela, I'm showing you what's entitled wavering consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. the court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that we ask that you follow the plea agreement, Judge.
All right, and there's no belief that she was insane at the time of the offense?
That's correct.
All right. Ms. Vielas, is there anything you wish to say to the court?
No, Your Honor.
All right, are you on your medications now?
Yes.
All right, and who are you staying with?
My mother.
Okay, so do you have a doctor that you're seeing regularly?
Not here, but in Mexico.
All right, do you have a case manager?
Mm,
All right, so how is that?
My medication comes in from Mexico.
Your medication comes from Mexico? All right, so how are we going to do this here? Her medication's from Mexico, her doctor's from Mexico, but obviously she needs a case manager and somebody to make sure that she's taking her medication. So how's that going to happen? Because otherwise we're going to be back here for a violation. Probation, is there any way to get her a case manager? I mean, I know we can put her on the MIC caseload, but her doctor is in Mexico. And I'm assuming that's Mexico to country.
Yes, ma'am.
So, and you're going to have to provide a prescription of your medications to probation. You understand?
I have it, but it's from Mexico. Like I have it not right now, but I do have it.
No, just make sure you give it to probation.
Okay.
Okay.
We can request her be on the MIC caseload as well as a referral to Center for Healthcare Services.
Okay. All right. Are you employed?
Not right now. I gave birth a month ago, so I'm taking care of my baby.
Okay. And the child is at your mom's house with you? Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. 2 years deferred adjudication. There's $1,000 fine. That's to be probated. There's restitution, if any, and no contact with La Islas, and I know I'm mispronouncing it, Laislas, Marias, Marias, and Manuel, I think I pronounced that correctly, Estrada, Rodarte, Rodarte. There's going to be MIC evaluation, a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. And this is not me trying to interfere with your relationship with your doctor in Mexico. It's just that I need someone here to make sure that you're taking your medications. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to do parenting classes. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. So what that means is with your baby, your mom has to be with you. You understand?
Yes.
Now, I will probably change that once I know that she's on her meds. She's 100% stabilized. She's taking them on a regular basis. But for now, there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month until further notice. And there's to be regular UAs. With regards to cats 1 and 2, I honestly don't think this is a cats 1 and 2 problem, but if it is, here's my course to you. Don't take what doesn't belong to you. Don't break windows, not even of your own property, because guess what? Once you break glass, I don't care how many years have passed. There's always some glass that you missed, and it's going to end up in somebody's foot. I know this from experience. And it's from dropping a glass, not throwing through a window. When you're on somebody's property, if you've been invited and they ask you to leave, leave. But the main thing, don't take what doesn't belong to you. And if you think someone has taken something from you falsely and they shouldn't have, call the police. All right? That's your cats 1 and 2 course. Consider that your certificate. We can put it on the record. You just got your certificate. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor.
All right. I know I'm not going to put employment down. But I will say, if she does get employment, if you do get employment, it is not to be as a home healthcare provider. It's not to be in any type of employment that involves minors. You understand? All right. And the reason why I'm doing that, because I know you need to take care of your mental health. You just had a baby, and I'm trying to make sure that you're successful on this. Okay?
You didn't want community service.
No. All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission.
This courtroom proceeding involved the defendant charged with burglary of a building with intent to commit theft, a state jail felony carrying up to 2 years in custody and a significant fine. The defendant entered court expecting a standard outcome, a plea deal, deferred adjudication, and an opportunity to move on quietly. The state recommended deferred adjudication, a form of probation where guilt is not formally entered unless the defendant violates conditions. On paper, it appeared routine, but Judge Stephanie Boyd's role is not to rubber stamp agreements. It is to assess whether a plea actually protects the defendant, the public, and the integrity of the court. What changed the trajectory of this case was not the charge itself, but the surrounding circumstances. The defendant had recently given birth, was unemployed, living with her mother, and managing mental health treatment sourced outside the United States. When Judge Boyd learned that medication and medical oversight were coming from another country without local supervision, the case shifted from punishment to risk management. Rather than rejecting the plea outright, Judge Boyd reshaped it. She imposed 2 years of deferred adjudication, a probated fine, restitution if applicable, and strict no-contact orders. More importantly, she ordered mental health evaluations, referrals to local healthcare services, parenting classes, and limitations on unsupervised contact with minors until stability could be verified. This decision matters because it highlights a core judicial principle. Leniency without structure often leads to failure. Deferred adjudication is not a dismissal, it is a test. Judge Boyd's ruling turned that test into a controlled environment designed to prevent relapse, violations, and future court appearances. The legal stakes were clear. Any violation could result in an immediate finding of guilt and up to 2 years in state jail. The sentencing sent a message not just to the defendant, but to anyone watching. A plea deal is not an escape hatch, it is a contract, and Judge Stephanie Boyd enforces contracts with precision.